Okay. So we are finished with the body and skin. Hair. So invest in your hair. It's the crown you never take off. So why? Because right products is very necessary to invest. So hairs are, for example, for creating a polished look, your hair should be in a placed. It's not about how attractive, but it's about it should be in a polished in a better way. So invest whatever the good products and appropriate product. Consult a doctor if you have any hair issues. Men, a clean dandruff free. We all know which grooming product is best for you. Men also need to consider. See what happened before, only female used to work on their grooming sessions, and men, there was no guidelines for men's. But now men, you need to understand the many of the problem also related to you also. So the cleaning part, the hygiene part, because and men, in men, what is the main thing? Hygiene is must. Female are born to learn all this thing, but men, you need to understand that hygiene is must actually. So knowing which grooming products is best for you, manage your facial hairs. Do not use shampoo every day. Use hair conditioner. Choose a hairstyle that flatters your face. So normally men should have a square face shape, and you can choose accordingly, but it should be a clear look. It should be a clean look. It should be a polished look. Understand what is needed. Don't do everything. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज नीडेड. मेरे स्किन का क्या प्रॉब्लम है, मैं उस पर वर्क करूं. मेरे बाल को ऐसे करने में ये चीज काम आ रही, तो आई विल वर्क दैट अकॉर्डिंगली. सो अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रॉब्लम एंड यूज ओनली दैट मच थिंक. Don't listen every person and use bring this, bring that. Don't do like this. Simultaneously understand, if you have dark circles, then just go for the dark circles. Okay, so keep your hair short, especially during extreme environmental hots and colds. Women, for the professional look, clean, dandruff free, because it looks very bad when the dandruff is on your shoulder in any of your garment. Cut regularly, so free of your split ends, because the ends looks untidy because of that split ends. So I think every 3 months is visible to do a trimming. Face fully visible, style easy to maintain for professionals, especially. For professional, it's not about how beautiful your hairs are there and it's just moving from here and there, and at office place, like it's like very distracted. Yesterday only I told you, day before yesterday, it should not be any distracting. The focal point is to be your face, your polished look, your clean look, and everything should be in the place order. आपके बाल बहुत अच्छे, इसका मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि you put it open every time. It should create an easy hairstyle. If you think your hairs are something which is manageable when it is open, then absolutely fine. But you think it's create, unnecessary look or distraction, then please make it a good hairstyle. Okay, so natural or natural looking color is harmony with your personal coloring. So at office place, try to have the color which is very natural and natural looking, like which is going with your personal coloring. For example, I can't share you the personal coloring detail right now, it's 1-to-1. Okay, the personal colors whichever you have, so related you can have the hair colors. So I do 1-to-1 sessions for this. If you want to learn, please do contact with me. So the personal colors, the pigments, you have the orange pigment, the yellow pigment, so you can have that type of colors, but in a very subtle way, which is provided in the hair salon. Okay, so wear long hair in a neat updo or uncontrolled style for more professional image. French twist, French braid, ponytail, pigtails, remove distracting facial hairs. Okay, now nails. So your hand and feet never take a day off, so take care of them. Same, always hands, nails, always there is visibility is there. Whenever we are talking with someone, or whenever you do handshake or anything, and whenever you are sitting in any table, chair, everything is visible. Okay, so you should take care of it. So for men, do not keep longer nails. Do not chew your nails. Some has a habit of doing that. Do not have any fungus. If you have any nails problem, you should work because it's at a professional. It's look very unhealthy. Do not use harsh soap because it will make your hands dry and moisturize. It's not about that female only use moisturize. So for men, a small tip for you, for your body and skin, that use oil, body oil. Go when you go to the shower, take some amount of oil and apply on the whole body, and just take a 5 minutes for it, and just take a shower, because it will help you for aging. It will help you for moisturizing your body, and it will smoothen your skin, and it is not that type of makeup element that it is visible, but your skin will look good. So a man can also do a oil massage, and just take every day. You can, if you have a weather which is very hot, then you can take some day in a week, or once a day or twice a day. It's not about summer, it's about moisturizing your body, because we used to sit in a AC, because the toxin comes out. That is a natural oil, but for cleaning you need a good oil to apply on it. So men also can use body oil, any coconut oil, almond oil, whichever is there at your home. So apply it and take a shower. So it's a good moisturizer, I think, and female actually needs to do this. Shorter nails that are neatly trimmed above the fingertip are preferred for practicality and clean appearance. So male, your nails should be little shorter. Women, a clean, smooth, moisturize and use sunscreen even in the hands, and use whatever the sunscreen you use. Make sure you have a hand sunscreen or something like that, but use with the, you should apply on the nails also, because you need to protect them, whatever you're doing, the nail polish or anything. Well groomed, well manicured, pedicure, and non-distracting at a workplace. It should be, more of French nails or transparent nails, or, very pastel color nail polish, rather than that blue, black, yellow, and, more of the loud colors. Avoid that. Coordinate color and nail art for creative professions, and go with a, which doesn't highlight only your nails. See, you need to understand, you need to highlight your this area. This all thing needs to be groomed in a well placed and attractive. If you like good nail polish, you can be attractive, but if you will put the red, yellow, more of, you can put little lighter maroonish shade in the pastel shades. But if you feel more attractive, then the focus will be go in the fingers, and the focus should not go in the another part of the, rather than is at your workplace. Okay, now makeup in a very fast, because I know there are the women's. So just small tip, why some people think makeup is a boring, because the process is lengthy. So we can't do the whole process in the morning today if you're going for a walk. So small tip for you all females. Wait, natural looking, subtle, blended to enhance your appearance and increase your visual presence and avoid too much. We know that what makeup does for us. But a small tip, see, this is my 5-minute trick. Make your 5-minute trick. आपके लिए 5 चीजें कौन सी जरूरी है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई हैव अ गुड आईब्रो, I don't want to put a eyebrow pencil. It's fine. And if my lashes are not proper, then I will in my list, in 5-minute trick, I will put lashes, that I will apply lashes. Agar my skin is good, I don't want to put concealer. Why should I put concealer? It's okay. Okay, if my I don't like loud lipstick, I just put lip liner or little gloss. Okay, so make your 5 or 6 things, the on the spot makeup. Don't do all that lengthy process every day. No need. Make your 5 things, 5 steps makeup for what. See, I already told you that understand what is the problem and solve that problem. That is whole perspective. आपके लिए क्या जरूरी है? आपके फेस के लिए आपके आईब्रो छोटी लग रही है तो उसको बड़ी करनी है, तो यूज आईब्रो पेंसिल. आपको लगता है कि आपकी आईब्रो बहुत अच्छी है, but your eyes are small, then use eyeliner. Okay, so whatever like you and whatever is appropriate for you. Just take 5 things, just keep 5 things on the table. I want to use this 5 things, but use this because it will create a polished look. How much clean and good food you are intaking, but the upper layer still needs to shine. So the shine from inside and little shine from outside, that will create a polished look. Okay. Teeth, we all know that brushing 2 times is very necessary, and we all know that if we brush at night, the cavities will be removed. We all know that. But one more thing, oral hygiene has a significant impact on overall health. Gum disease, for example, has been linked to the number of health problems, including heart disease, stroke, diabetes, preterm labor, and even Alzheimer's disease. Okay, so it's not about your teeth, it's about whatever saliva, whatever food, whatever water you're taking from that process is gonna, all that bacteria along with that will go inside your body. So that can create a problem. So it can be in a longer way. Just understand that oral hygiene is very important. At a workplace, you're speaking with someone in a very constant way. So अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने brush किया है and still you have a problem with oral hygiene, तो please work towards it. Don't ignore this, because your nose doesn't know the smell from your mouth, but the person who is standing beside you knows the smell from your mouth. So what he will do, he will not say anything, he will not utter anything, he will put his step back and he will speak little far from standing far from you. So certain things are said to be very easy, but they are very important. The oral hygiene is very important even at a home. When the kids don't do brush and they smell like so much on the very first play. Okay, so the golden rule is brushing 2 times, we all know. Morning for freshness and night cleaning removes cavities, food odor, and for freshness. Oral hygiene is necessary to enhance the clarity of speech for effective communication. You can't close your mouth every time and speak with the people when you go for a meeting and all that. अब कल रात को तो ब्रश किया था, अब क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? See, understand this. The 2 time brushing it has a different significance. रात को ब्रश करने से whatever the food in the whole day, whatever the odor, whatever the smell of their food, that will create a cavities if you keep inside. तो रात को ब्रश करना तो बहुत ही important है. It's must. You need to do brushing at night. That's on the very first place. Morning brushing is only for freshness. Just take 10 seconds. No one will tell you because we don't have time in the morning. But at night, please spare some time, 1 minute, to do the right brushing. And if you will do, your kids will automatically will do. Understand this. Don't tell your kids to do this. You need to do first. Go, when you want to make your kids learn certain habits, do brushing in front of them. And after a month, after 2 months, or when anything went wrong, they will understand. Someday they will learn. But you need to understand this is, see, morning brush is for freshness and the night brush is for removing the cavities, because the whole cavity system will be there in your mouth and it will go with the saliva inside your stomach.